In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Whether you're looking for a digital detox or simply need a break from social media, I'll walk you through the process on both the mobile app and desktop version. Let's get started with the Facebook app on your smartphone. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, tap the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. For Android users, you'll find it at the top right. Once there, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and tap on it, then select Settings to move forward. Now, let's head over to Account Management. Scroll until you find Access and Control, which is nestled under the Account Center. Here, you'll need to tap on Personal Details, followed by Account Ownership and Control. This will guide you to where you need to be for deactivation. The next step involves choosing either Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on it, and if you manage multiple accounts, make sure to select the specific Facebook account you want to alter. In this instance, we're deactivating, so choose Deactivate Account. It's important not to confuse this with Deletion. It's only temporary. Tap Continue to Account Deactivation to proceed. At this point, Facebook might ask you for a reason for your departure. You can choose one, but it's optional. After selecting, hit Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Once entered, tap Deactivate. And that's it! Your Facebook account is now deactivated. While your profile will vanish from searches, rest assured it's not permanent. You can log back in anytime to reactivate it. Now let's switch gears for those using a desktop. First, visit facebook.com and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner to click on your profile photo, then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings again to access the options you need. Moving forward, we want to navigate to the Account Center. You'll find it on the left panel of your settings page. Click on it, and under Account Settings, choose Personal Details, and then Account Ownership and Control. This is your gateway to deactivation. To begin the process, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Similar to what we did earlier, select your Facebook account if you have more than one, then opt for Deactivate Account. After clicking Continue, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your decision. There you have it. Whether you're on the go with your smartphone or settled in front of your desktop, you now know how to easily deactivate your Facebook account. Remember, the door is always open to reactivate whenever you're ready to return. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.